The perks of being a Cosmobiz beauty examiner. I mean, what's up, family? It's your girl Mary Kay coming to you guys. I just wanted to show you a variation of a unit that you're probably going to be hearing a lot about, you guys. This is from the Vivica Fox collection, and this is her brand new unit. It's called Gemini. It comes in a wavy, really spunky bob, like diagonal forward, chunky bob type of effect. When I first unpackaged it, I loved how edgy it was. I'm a huge fan of bobs, y'all already know that, but the fact that it was cut so like wispy and chunky and razory in the back, I was really feeling that. So I was like, yeah, I think this will be so dope pressed out. So I wanted to try it out, first of all, to see if it would press, because some units say it's heat safe, and then when you put some heat on there, it's a lot. So I definitely wanted to check to see, first and foremost, if it was a good unit pressed, what it felt like, what kind of effect did it give, because sometimes even units that are human hair sometimes just are not really like, once you press on them, it just loses all kind of personality and, you know, movement, and it just is kind of like, this was not that, and I'm so excited. It definitely turned out exactly how I thought it would. Again, this is from the Vivica Fox collection. This is their Gemini unit, brand spanking new. I know you're going to be hearing a lot about it. You guys know that if it's a must-have, it's my little black dress of units. This is my little black unit, you guys. Definitely, absolutely. Basically what that is a unit that's a must-have. And it's a must-have because there's no occasion where you could not wear this unit. You can rock it in its wavy form, you could curl it up, you could press it like I did. So this unit is perfect for date night, going out with the girls, hanging with the kids, work, church, going to the park, passing by the mayor's house, going to the zoo, you know, going to a comedy show, the library, Discovery Zone. Anywhere you want to go, you can wear this unit. That's why it's the little black dress of units. Yes, 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 yes. I knew that this unit was going to be very, very cute. I just had a feeling. You know, I had that sense. I get it from my mom, and she has these vibes, you know? So I get it from her. I had a feeling. I was like, this is going to be super dope pressed out, and it was, you guys. So I just wanted to show you a different variation, just to let you know that you can rock this wig in different styles depending on what your flavor is. Rock it how you want to rock it. But I will definitely have all of the information about this unit in the description box as always. But let me know if you guys are feeling this. How do you like your bobs? Do you like them more basic? Do you like them to have a lot of personality like this one with the nice chunky layers in the back and the wispies? I mean, this has so much. It's wispy, it's chunky, it's layered, it's forward diagonal. There is a lot going on with this wig, and it all works together. Its synergy is on point, you guys, and that is not easy to have a lot of stuff going on with a unit and for it all to work. You know what I mean? Especially to work in different conditions. Because sometimes you'll have a wig that's dope curly, and then when you press it out, it's like, oh, why you do that? You don't know. You never know until you do it, until you try. And then sometimes you'll have one that's dope when it's straight, and then, you know, throw some curls in it, and it just takes away the flavor. You know what I'm saying? I'm all about flavor.
You know, I'm all about flavor. Like, that's why I can't mix with a lot of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Because my flavor is just... you know, I can't mix with everything. You know, you just can't mix with everything. You know what I'm saying? I don't, So this wig is like that. It's like me. It's like Lowry's seasoning salt. You know what I'm saying? But the one with 25% less sodium, because, you know, I'm healthy.
If you have any questions about this unit, let me know. I'm feeling it, you guys, and it feels great. I didn't even mention that. I'm so excited about the cut. I didn't even talk about what it feels like. It feels very good. It's really soft. Again, it's really wispy, so it moves wonderfully. It moves really, really well. I knew from that first pass when I flat ironed it, I said, oh, I see what you're doing, Auntie Viv. I see what you something else. I see what you're doing. She's showing out with this one. She's showing out with this one. It's just an A+. I always get questions about wigs that you can just plop on and go without having to do a lot of plucking, without using the gel, the got to be and all that stuff. So I really wanted to cater this to those supporters who always ask me that question. So yes, there are options out there for you when you don't want to do all of that. You know, you don't want to do all of that customizing. You know what I mean? And I get it. We are busy. We have things to do. We're in school. We're at work. We're taking care of the children. We're taking care of the husbands. We're doing all of this stuff. And who wants to be plucking and gelling and all that stuff all the time? I get it. I do. So I got you. Y'all know that. I like it. To my new subbies, thank you so much. Thank you for joining like the quirky quirks. That means a lot to me. That means you're quirky too. Or you just like quirky people, but you're really like super popular, but you just kind of like quirky people because we're just really like weird and fun and creative and fun stuff. Either way, welcome. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. And in the meantime, I wish you all peace, love, and good light. Bye-bye.